New York City has always been a city of limits. Limited land, limited space, unlimited ambition. Over generations, the city learned to grow upward instead of outward. Streets filled, buildings tightened, infrastructure stretched to serve millions every day. Today, New York still functions, but only through constant adjustment. Traffic is managed by data. Systems are monitored in real time. The city is already changing, even if it doesn't yet look like the future. Pressure has always shaped New York. Streets grow more crowded, buildings grow closer. Systems designed decades ago are pushed beyond their limits. At the edges of the city, the challenge becomes visible. New York was built beside the water, and the water is rising. Flood risk, stronger storms, and aging infrastructure force the city to adapt. Below ground, millions depend on transit systems operating at full capacity. This is not a city failing. It is a city reaching a turning point. To continue functioning, New York cannot remain unchanged. By 2050, New York does not chase spectacle. It integrates technology where it serves a purpose. Density increases, carefully and selectively. Growth concentrates around transit corridors and existing infrastructure. Manhattan becomes more efficient. Brooklyn and Queens absorb new vertical growth. The Bronx evolves through regeneration, not replacement. On the streets, movement changes. Autonomous vehicles operate alongside traditional transport, reducing congestion and improving flow. Robots become a common presence, handling deliveries, maintenance, and infrastructure tasks. Above the city, a new layer appears. Passenger drones operate along restricted routes, used for specific travel, emergency response, and logistics. Human flight exists, limited, regulated, and rare, never overwhelming the skyline. The airspace remains controlled. The city remains readable. Along the waterfronts, resilience becomes part of daily life. Elevated parks, reinforced edges, and adaptive landscapes protect the city without separating it from the water. New York grows more advanced, not louder, not chaotic, but more prepared.